students, welcome to Services classes. My name is Ashmita and in today's class we are going to discuss about a question which is based on diagnostic test, and English diagnostic tests are very much common in IELTS examinations, then TOEFL examinations and other competitive examinations where English is a compulsory part. And these kind of questions can confuse you a lot. In order to get acquainted with such questions, you need to practice and practice and practice. So one by one in each of the videos we are going to solve one question each day, so that you can get acquainted and feel easy to approach these kind of questions in all kinds of competitive examinations. So let's discuss today's question. Now here what you have to do is that you would be given certain options and an original pair of words. Now here you have to understand the meaning of these words, the original pair of words. You have to understand their connection, and then you have to choose a pair of words from the given options which will show a similar connection between the words. आपको ऐसे वर्ड्स चूज करना है जो एक सिमिलर मीनिंग पोर्ट्रे करेगा विथ द ओरिजिनल पेयर ऑफ वर्ड्स गिवन. Now in today's class we are going to do question number 12 only. Here nonplussed means so surprised and confused that one is unsure how to react. Like you can say shocked kind of, but without any kind of reaction on their face. Now what is bafflement? Bafflement means also once again the same thing only, that is it's a state of being utterly confused or bewildered. And like for example, when you walk into a huge new school for the first time, your feeling of bafflement is totally understandable. Being a toddler, going to school, then mixing or coming across people like you only, that kind of emotion you can call as bafflement. So both the words are almost common to each other, that is nonplussed and bafflement. So both are almost synonymous to each other. So we are going to find out one pair of word which is the most suitable to the original pair. हमें ऐसे वर्ड ढूंढना है जो एकदम इसी टाइप का मीनिंग पोर्ट्रे करता है. इसी टाइप का मीनिंग मतलब इसी टाइप के कनेक्शन को हमें दिखाता है, जैसे कि नॉनप्लस्ड एंड बैफलमेंट का मतलब ये दोनों सिनोनिमस है, मतलब दोनों का मीनिंग ही ऑलमोस्ट सेम है. Now number A says discomfited and embarrassment. Discomfited means a kind of feeling, that is a feeling of uneasy or embarrassment you can say. So we can say that these two words are almost same, that is both are having the same meaning. Moving over to option B. Now let me tell you that even if we think that number A can be the correct answer, we need to check the other options also. Because why? Here we have to choose the best suitable answer for the original pair of words. So we may find that option A can be the absolute choice for this original pair, but still we need to check the other options also. So moving over to option number B, that is parsimonious. Now parsimonious has a very different meaning, that is it means miserly, so it has nothing to do with bafflement or nonplussed. It means very unwilling to spend money or any other resources. Let us talk about extravagance. Now extravagance means too much of like lavish life you can say, or too much of or spending too much you can say. So basically parsimonious and extravagance are opposites or antonyms to each other. तो ये दोनों words opposites हैं, तो हम इसको consider नहीं कर सकते. We cannot consider these two words. The next option is number C, that is disgruntled and contentment. In simple words, disgruntled means you are dissatisfied with something,
And on the other hand, contentment means you are satisfied, you are happy with something. So basically, here also these two are opposites, and we cannot consider opposites. We cannot consider option number B, option number C till now, because both are showing words which are opposite to each other. So let us move on to number D, that is despicable and contempt. Despicable means deserving hatred and contempt. We can also say disgusting, we can also say heinous, we can also say horrifying. Now, contempt means that it's kind of a disregard for something that should be considered. It may also seem like disdain or disrespect. Now, this word despicable and the word contempt are once again showing opposite meanings. That is, despicable here means hatred, whereas contempt here means disrespect. So, obviously, both disrespect and hatred are absolutely different. We may not say it's opposite, but it's different, and we cannot include that, or we cannot say that it is having a similar kind of relationship with that of nonplussed and bafflement. Moving over to option number E, that is surly and harassment. Now, surly means bad tempered and unfriendly, and harassment means kind of aggressive pressure, or kind of intimidation, or any kind of daily harassment or assault, you can say. So surly and harassment are having kind of like different meanings. Like if we look at the original pair of word, that is nonplussed and bafflement, it's relating to the same meaning only. It is relating to the same thing. But if we take number E option, that is surly and harassment, here surly means some kind of unfriendly behavior or bad tempered behavior, but harassment means absolutely like totally something else, that is assault or kind of forced attempt to do something. So that's different. Here the correct option would be the option of discomfited and embarrassment, because these two words are having a similar kind of meaning with this nonplussed and bafflement. So option number A is correct. So that was the question for today. Hope so you understood it well, and now you will be able to solve and practice more and more questions like this. So if you want to learn with us, then do join our classes. You can join Saurav sir's classes. We provide you with live classes, regular classes, online, offline classes, doubt clearing classes, then different revision sessions, crash course facilities, scholarship facilities, and many more. We will also provide the enrolled candidates with the recorded lectures portal access, that is 24 into 7 portal access to the candidates. They can view those lectures at any time, all time, and innumerable times. So in order to get all the benefits, do join our classes. You can check the description box below to get the contact number. You can contact us at any time. And if you have any kind of queries regarding any kind of competitive examinations, do call us, do ask us, and do clarify all your doubts. And let me tell you, here we teach for all kinds of competitive examinations and all kinds of entrance examinations. So in order to get all the benefits, do join our classes. We teach for banking, SSC, railway, and all other kinds of entrance examinations which candidates are giving for entering into different colleges, and for master's degree, for bachelor's degree, they need preparation. So we provide you with that preparation. So that was all for today's class. We are going to meet once again with these type of diagnostic test questions in our other classes.